Hello class 7, good morning. We have already completed chapter 1 and chapter 2. Today we are going to start chapter 3, computer virus. So, it is not the biological virus which we get when we become sick. Cough, cold, flu, coronavirus. So, these are not the biological virus. Computer virus is a program. What is computer virus? Computer virus is a harmful programs which damages the functions of the computer. It spoils the computer. So, at first, what is a computer virus? Computer virus is a malicious program. Malicious programs means it is a harmful program. It is a harmful program which has the ability to replicate. Replicate means increase in number. It increases in number automatically and execute itself. So what happens? It is a harmful program which comes automatically in the computer by different sources, from the different sources, and it is not a biological virus. It is a set of programs or program, and it has the ability to replicate means increase in number, copy and increase in number and execute itself. It is a man-made program done by us only. Program which is destructive in nature. It is destructive in nature, destroy the computer. It usually attaches itself to other program and spread across the system. Alright. So once again, computer virus is not a biological virus which is harmful to our body, it is harmful to the computer. It is a set of programs written by one of us only. When it is attacked to our computer, it is becomes very harmful and increases its number and makes the computer not do the work properly. Okay. Now, why do people create and spread the virus program? Why do people spread the virus program? There are some points. They do not think about the consequences others have to face. Just they make the virus programs, put on the internet from different sources attached to our computer, and they do not think at what the problems others are going to face because of the virus program. They draw a false distinction between creating, publishing viruses and distributing them. They create the virus program, distribute, and makes a false distinction, that is, they do not know what is right, what is the wrong. They consider it to be the responsibility of someone else to protect system from their creation. Like they have created the virus programs affecting our computers very badly, and they think that it is a duty of somebody else to correct it, to rectify it. Okay. Next one. This is a way they fight with the authorities. They think that they are fighting with the authorities, with the government people, by creating this type of virus program. Now, next one, they think it is a way of getting attention or recognition from their peers. So what they think, that if they create the virus programs which will damage the computers of many people, so they will become very famous overnight, and they will get a identity, they will get a recognition among their friends, which is wrong. The last one, they want to engage the antivirus vendors in a job. You know the antivirus programs which scans our computers and try to remove the virus program. It scans our system, our computers, our mobiles, and it removes the virus programs. So what happens, if they create the virus program, then only antivirus programs will be sold and people will buy and install in their computer and the mobiles. So it is a good business for them. Okay. Now what are the sources of computer virus? See, this never comes itself. It comes with some source, through some source only. Through unwanted websites, unwanted emails, or used pen drives, it is attached to our computer. First, we have the first source of virus is a virus infected floppy disk or other storage media. So, what are the different sources of virus or virus program? So, first source, a virus infected floppy disk or other storage media, namely compact disc, CD, DVD, pen drive, can easily infect your system. Floppy disk is not used nowadays. CD also rarely only. So suppose you are using your friend's pen drive, and if it has got your virus program, if you same pen drive you connect to your computer, and your computer also will become the virus infected. So keep a distance with others pen drive without scanning, without checking. Do not use others pen drive in your computer. So first source of virus is using the infected CD, DVD or pen drive to our system. Okay. Second, pirated software. Do not use the copied software. Use the original software by paying the money with the licensed. Don't use the just copy and paste software in your computer. If a pirated software is used, the same thing happens. It may have some virus programs and our computer can be infected. Next, hired computer games or audio or video. Do not use the others game in your computer, like audio also and video also. Sometimes just to take the others video in the pen drive, use in your computer. Please don't do that. So, if you use the hired computer game or audio or video in our computer, our computer becomes a virus infected. 4. Browsing unwanted websites through internet. See, whenever you use the internet, never open any website about which you do not know. Never open any unwanted website. The website may have some kind of virus, and as you open the website, the virus will be transferred from the website to our computer, and our computer will be virus infected. So, browsing unwanted websites through the internet. 5th, unwanted mails in the spam folder. See, in our inbox of the email, we get the several emails, unwanted mails, some ad mails, some spam mails. So don't try to open those mails about you do not know the source. It means from where it has come to your computer. If the source is known to you, then only you open that email. If you do not know the source, it is an unwanted mail, it is a spam mail, just you delete it. Just you delete it, don't open and see. Otherwise, if it is virus affected, virus will become active. So, these are the 5 sources of viruses. First one, a virus infected floppy disk or CD or DVD can easily infect our computer. If you use the copied software, that is the pirated software, computer becomes infected. Don't use the others game, audio or video in your computer or mobile. Do not browse, do not open any website about which you do not know. Unauthorized, unwanted website don't want. And last, unwanted mails in the spam folder. If a mail comes in a spam folder in inbox about which you do not know the source, so please do not open that email. Just delete it. So today, what we have discussed? Today we have discussed what is a computer virus, sources of computer virus. So please, you learn all this definition. Thank you for today.